This is a love reading for the sun sign Cancer for all of you who are single for the month of February. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to know Cancer. What is the past you're coming from, or how was your past love relationship? How has it changed you, or what do you think of love now? What's coming your way in the present energy? How well are you receiving it? Then, what is the impression a potential partner gets about you when he or she meets you or dates you? Who are you as a person? Then, what is it that you should do away with and what you should build on to find yourself a nice love connect? So, let us see what is the guidance from Tarot. Now, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Cancer, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. Cancer, it is the time to make a move, get over your past, and don't be so scared or afraid to make a new beginning. Now, when I look at the cards of how was your past love relationship or how was your dealings with your ex, it's just telling me that the two of you either became too possessive or there is almost an energy of suffocation that you both wanted too much out of each other. There was just no space given to either of you, or maybe one of you was very, very dominating and did not allow the other person to be. So it is as if everything you had it together just fell apart because the two of you just became so possessive, or you could not tolerate even smallest of things being forgotten or not being told. So it could be you, it could be your ex, but it's just telling me that it was just too suffocating a relationship to be in. So purely as a relationship, it may have given you a lot of sadness, but it may have left you or given you the kind of freedom and space that you're looking for. So it could very well have been you also, Cancer, that the your ex felt suffocated, but overall on the energy I'm seeing is because the way how well you're receiving this present energy, it looks like maybe you are at the receiving end. Some of you are just feeling so full of conflict as if someone is still there to give you that tough and difficult time. The guidance really is that you are now free to move on. Whatever was in the past is all left in the past, and you should be willing to take on some new change and be more accepting of the present of how things are. So, what do you think of love now? Some of you feel that it can almost become like a prison or a suffering when things just get out of control. So, some of you are very scared of falling in love or being very free and opening up to a potential partner. So, I'm seeing a guidance where you are not very trusting anymore. And with this energy where you're still feeling hurt and unable to move on, it's telling me that this relationship, the past relationship, may have either gone on for many years or it was just too intense a pain that you are unable to get over with. So, what's coming your way in the present energy? You're really meeting some very good people, Cancer, and you should be setting yourself free to accept the love and all the happiness this is coming from this potential partner. Some of you are just meeting someone very generous, kind, very, very true, and he or she is just living a very good and a rich life. Not rich in terms of money only. They may be well to do, but rich in terms of how he or she talks, how good they make the other person feel, and overall just the demeanor of being very pleasant and having someone who brings so much happiness just by their presence. So you are meeting someone very, very nice. Maybe, this is the kind of a partner who may be also very socially well accepted also. So you can, if some of you are feeling too lost with all that has happened to you in the past energy, some of you, if you're getting a love interest or someone showing interest in you and is so well to do or is just so funny and has such a happy side to them, you may just want to get to know them more purely so that you can get out of all the sadness and conflict that you are surrounded with. So also, some of you may be feeling that everything that you don't have, a potential partner seems to have, and you don't know if that's a match for you. You feel that maybe you will bring a lot of disappointment in terms of all the conflict and sadness you will bring by meeting this partner. So, you need to first of all get out of all the guilt and set yourself free. So right now, some of you, even your situation has changed. You're not in that past relationship anymore. But some of you are just unable to move on. You're still thinking as if you're still in that past relationship. You're not free to do as you like. And that there's just so much to deal with. Yeah. So you see, these swords are just stuck to the ground. On their own, they cannot hurt this lady. And that's the faith that this person needs to have. That on its own, just because there was some conflict or a difference of opinion, it cannot come and hurt you. So, a lot of peace that you need to make with yourself, Cancer, because I'm seeing a very nice, loving, potential partner who's coming your way. And the good part is, he or she sees a very selfless side in you. They feel you are even way more better and credible and spiritual than who they are. So, the good part is, this is a great partner who's showing interest in you and he or she has a lot of love and respect for you. So there is no reason why you should be holding back, Cancer. If you feel that probably you're not good enough for this partner or how things will be, you're totally wrong because you're being understood and perceived very well by this partner. And you come across as someone who's very, very selfless, so driven by who what you really believe and think, and there is no layer to you, so people can see the real you very easily. So this is almost a gift you have, Cancer, that you come across as this very genuine, loving, selfless soul. So very good cards. Purely on this energy, the love relationship should totally take off, but then I'm seeing you're spending a lot of time alone. You probably meet this potential partner maybe one or more once, and then you're gone for 2 months, and not really gone, you're just in your own space for all that long, and really you need to break out of this time which you spend all by yourself. Some of you also, Cancer, have become very, very comfortable being alone to the point that you don't miss being single or you don't miss company at all. So it's not really good because while emotionally and mentally you don't feel any need for a companionship, it's just good to have someone around, yeah. So some of you should be more trusting. It's also telling me because your trust is lost somewhere. So you're unable to trust and you're unable to freely give back or open your heart to this potential partner. So a lot of work and peace that needs to happen within you, Cancer, so that you can be accepting of this very beautiful partner. So very, very rich soul and just as beautiful on the outside and inside. Very, very nice partner that you're getting. You don't want to miss out on this love energy purely because you love spending time alone, yeah. So maybe if it's just a temporary situation where you like to be alone and left alone and do your thing, it's okay. But then you should shed this image very quickly and get back to your social scene and start to reciprocate to this love energy. But some of you, should you choose to continue being single, I don't see this state changing unless you make a decision that you don't want to be single anymore. So, quite a bit of Mentally you need to prepare yourself that yes, you want to go and fall in love and find someone nice. But there is no shortage of love interest which is coming your way. So who are you as a person? You're very flexible, Cancer, and you're not fighting for any attention or some kind of someone to, give you loads of compliments or just make you feel good. You are neither of that energy. You're someone very, very flexible, very secure in your space. It's just that you're just reeling from the past, which was very difficult on you. And when I see what is it that you should do away with, get over this victim energy, Cancer. It's okay to have been let down by just everyone, maybe family, friends, maybe your finances, health, everything that went wrong and is going wrong. You should just forgive everyone around you and not be in this victim mode anymore. Because I'm seeing there is a very beautiful change which is coming. Should you want to continue to concentrate on this past pain, it will steal or rob you of all that good that is coming your way. So you don't want to lose your present purely because you want to spend time thinking or introspecting about the pain in the past. So a bit of a change of mindset and things should look very well for you. Also, Cancer, as I said, if you want to spend time alone, nobody can change that because this priestess is very, very clear in her mind and emotions, and she likes to spend a lot of time by herself. So, somewhat time spending alone is okay, but you should not make this your permanent state because here I'm seeing is a very rich and a beautiful, happy person who's showing interest in you. Maybe you just want to break out of this mode of being single and then just give it a try. Yeah. So, this is how your reading is looking, all of you Cancer who are single for the month of February.